I'm still down here in Southport on the waterfront. It's kind of calm day, nice little breeze. People out there on the pier, not a lot of people around. It's kind of cool. There's one way of enjoying the afternoon. Make a few friends and hope you don't get, as he put it, bombarded. And that doesn't mean that the birds are running into him. It means the birds might drop something on him. So he's taking great care to throw the bread away from him. This is an experienced seagull feeder from way back. He's got it figured out.